next problem, a train of length. So here I am writing just directly writing the given data. A train of length 50 meters TL, length of train LT. So length of train is equal to 50 meters, is moving with a constant speed, is moving with a constant speed of 10 meter per second, of 10 meter per second. So here he also gave length of bridge. Length of bridge is equal to 250 meters. Length of bridge is equal to 250 meters. So here we have to calculate the time taken by the train to cross an electric pole. Okay, it is the bridge length, and it is the train length. Okay, here there is a pole. It is a pole. There is a pole at some particular place. So it is the train length and it is the bridge length. So if the train is moving with a constant speed of u is equal to 10 meter per second, then to cross this pole, how much time will it take? We have to calculate that time taken to cross the pole. Okay, right. Next, so let's take time taken is equal to, what is the formula for speed? Speed is equal to distance by time. Distance by speed is equal to distance by time. Okay, Nama. Here we are calculating. Here there is a speed of the. He gave the speed of the train 10 meter per second, and length of the train also given. What is the length of the train? The length of the train is 50 meters. By using this length and speed, we can calculate time. We can calculate time. So time is equal to distance by speed. Time is equal to distance by speed. So distance here is, what is the distance? 50. Distance is nothing but length of the train. So 50 meters by time. Speed is 10 meter per second. So the calculation will get 5 seconds. The time taken is 5 seconds. Okay, only for train. The time taken for 5 seconds is only for train. So here the pole is at some particular position after the bridge. So the train should cross the bridge to cross the pole. So here total distance we have to cover. Total distance is equal to, total length. Total length is equal, distance or length both are same. Total length is equal to length of the train plus length of the train plus length of the bridge. Length of the train plus length of the bridge. What is the length of the train? That is equal to 50 meters plus length of the bridge is 250 meters. What is the total length? 300 meters. What is the total length? 300 meters. Okay. So by speed is equal to distance by time. Speed is equal to distance by time. By using this formula, we have to calculate the time taken by the train to cross the pole. Okay, so time taken is equal to distance by speed. Distance by speed. What is the total distance? 300 meters by speed is equal to speed of the train is 10 meters per second. So 0 gets cancelled. What it is? Meter gets cancelled. What is the remaining answer? 30 seconds. So if there is no bridge to cross this pole for the train, it takes 5 seconds. Cross చేయడం అంటే ఏంటమ్మా? For suppose it is the pole, it is the length of the train. Okay. Cross చేయడం అంటే ఏంటి? ఇక్కడ స్టార్ట్ అయ్యి కంప్లీట్ గా ఇక్కడతో ఎండ్ అవ్వాలి. So if the train length is 50 meters and the train is traveling at 10 meters per second, the time taken to cross this pole is 5 seconds. It crosses the complete pole in 5 seconds. Okay. If there is a bridge of length 250 meters and the train length is 50 meters, to cross this pole, which is having a total length of 300 meters, okay. So to cross this pole, the time taken for the train to cross the pole is what it is? 30 seconds. Okay, now a body covers a distance of 100 meters in the time 4 seconds. Okay, and what is its speed if first case, second case, if it covers the distance of 50 meters in 2 seconds. 50 meters in 2 seconds. That means this question includes 2 questions. Here from this case we have to calculate the speed and it is another speed. 2 speeds we have to calculate 2 speeds. So here we have to calculate the average speed, case 1 and case 2. Case 1, case 2. Average speed is equal to formula average speed. Average speed is equal to total distance by total time taken. Total distance by total time taken. Total distance is first case 100 meters by 4 seconds. So 100 by 4 which gives 25 meters per second. 25 meters per second. Next, second case, average speed is equal to again total distance by total time taken. Total distance by total time taken. So total distance you traveled in second case is 50 meters by 2 seconds. So if you cancel it, you will get 25 meters per second case. What is common in both the cases? The common thing in both the cases is speeds. The speeds are common. So by 1 and 2, the average speed is equal to, what is the average speed? Average speed is equal to 25 meters per second. The average speed in both the cases is 25 meters per second. Okay. Next question. A car travels at a speed of a car travels at a speed of 80 kmph 80 kmph and kilometers per hour during the first half of its path. During first half of the path, first half of the path of the time, half of the time, and at 40 km per hour during the other half, and 40 km per hour during the other half, and 40 km per hour during the second half, remaining half of the time. With 40 km per hour during the remaining time. During the remaining time, we have to find here the average speed. Find average speed. Here we have to find out the average speed. Okay, so let's imagine we don't know here the given data is, it is the total time t, total time t. So here for t by 2, for t by 2 is equal to 80 km per hour. Next t by 2 is 40 km per hour. First half of the time is 80 km per hour, and next half of the time is 40 km per hour. Okay, let's imagine, it is not exactly solution. Assume that let the time be 2 hours. 2 hours. So let's assume that the time is 2 hours. So 2 hours, half of the time and half of the time. So far, first hour speed is 80 km per hour. 80 km per hour. So by speed is equal to distance by time, then distance traveled is equal to speed into time. Same per second hour, speed is equal to 40 km per hour. Speed is equal to 40 km per hour. For second hour, speed is equal to 40 km/h. Okay. So speed is equal to same formula. Speed is equal to distance by time. Distance is equal to speed into time. Speed into time. Distance is equal to speed into time. Okay. So distance, calculate distance. What is speed? In first hour the speed is 80 km per hour. In time taken is 1 hour. So hour gets cancelled, 80 kilometers. In second case, distance is equal to speed into time. Speed is equal to 40 km by hour into 1 hour. Hour gets cancelled, 40 kilometers. 40 kilometers. Okay. So it is 1 hour. It is 1 hour. Okay, na? So what is the total distance traveled? In first case the total distance is 80 kilometers. In second case the total distance is 40 kilometers. 40 kilometers. So total distance is equal to 80 plus 40, that is equal to 120 kilometers. 120 kilometers. Okay, na? Okay. Here we got the total distance. So continuation from this, have to calculate the average speed. We have to calculate average speed. So average speed is equal to total distance by total time taken. Total distance by total time taken. What is the total distance here? 120 kilometers by total time taken is 1 hour plus 1 hour, 2 hours. So 2 into 120 by 2, that is 60 kilometer per hour. So 60 kilometer per hour is the average speed traveled by the body when, if the body is traveling first half of the distance, first half of the time with 80 kilometer per hour and next half of the time with 40 kilometer per hour, then we got this average speed. If the body travels with the average speed, then we got it is 60 kilometer per hour. Okay, Nama? Right. Or we can do this in another way. The whole problem we can do this in another way. As I already said that in our previous videos, that average speed or average velocity, if the body covers first half of the time with one speed and next half of the time with another speed, then I gave the formula that average speed in this case is v1 plus v2 by 2. v1 plus v2 by 2. As I already said that when the body is traveling first half of the time with v1 speed and next half of the time with v2 speed, then the formula for average speed is v1 plus v2 by 2. v1 here is 80 km per hour plus 80 km per hour plus 40 km per hour by 2. We got 80 plus 40, 120 km by hour by 2. 2 ones are 2 60s. So average speed is 60 km per hour. In this way also we can do the problem. It's simple steps, 2 steps. v1 plus v2 by 2. This is applicable only for this case. The case is if a body covers, it is the total time taken by the body, total time t. Okay, for first half of the time, exactly the time is half. If the body is traveling first half of the time with v1 speed, next half of the time with t by 2 with v2 speed, then the formula applicable is v1 plus v2 by 2. v1 plus v2 by 2.